Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe also. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like or subscribe to Karya. And thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like or subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like or subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इतना सपोर्ट करने के लिए. Like and subscribe, please. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like or subscribe because they are. And thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe also. Like or subscribe because they are. And thanks for your support. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना। फ़ोन हीट होने की वजह से बार बार लाइव स्ट्रीम कट हो जा रहा है। क्या ही बोलूं। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार। एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार। एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट। फ़ोन बार बार हीट हो जा रहा है, पता नहीं इतना हीट होने की वजह से बंद हो जा रहा है लाइव ऑटोमेटिकली। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार। एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो प्लीज़। एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। फ़ोन हीट होने की वजह से ऑटोमेटिकली बंद हो गया था यार। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार। एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट। development of male and female gametes to take place. Answer: in an angiosperm, the male gamete are developed within the anther. On the contrary, the female gamete are developed inside the ovules. To difference between Microsporogenesis and Megasporogenesis, which type of cell division occur during this event, given the structure formed at the end of these two events. And so the importance difference between Microsporogenesis and Megasporogenesis are maintained below. First, Microsporogenesis. It is the process in which a diploid microspore mother cell undergoes meiosis to form haploid microspore. Megasporogenesis. It is the process of formation of haploid megaspore from the diploid mother cell. Microsporogenesis occur inside the pollen sac, and megasporogenesis occur inside the ovule. Microsporogenous pollens are produced by Microsporogenous and embryos, and in Megasporogenous, embryo sacs are produced by Megasporogenous. Fourth point: the arrangement of microspores is tetrahedral, and fourth, the arrangement of microspores is linear. All four microspores formed are functional. Only one out of the four microspores formed is functional. Meiotic cell division occur during the Microsporogenesis and Megasporogenesis. It also known as the reductional division that lead to the production of haploid gametes. The structure formed at the end of this event are: first, Microsporogenous pollen grain; second, Megasporogenous embryo sac. Third, arrangement of the following in the correct development sequence: pollen grain, sporogenous tissue, microspore, tetrad, pollen mother cell, male gametes. First, sporogenous tissue. Sporogenous tissue, pollen mother cell. Third, microspore tetrad. Fourth, pollen grain, and fifth, male gamete. When the microsporangium is developed, every cell of the sporogenous tissue serves as a pollen mother cell, giving rise to a microspore tetrad posing four haploid microspores. Thought the meiosis process. Microsporogenous. When the anther matures, microspores dissociate and develop into pollen grain. The pollen grain mature and give rise to the male gamete. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe also. Like और subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. With a neat level diagram, describe the parts of a typical angiosperm ovule. An ovule is a female microsporangium where the formation of megaspore takes place. At the upper side, funnel, hilum, micropyle, micropolar pole, outer integument, inner integument, nucleus, embryo sac, chalazal pole. Various parts of ovules are: first, funnel. It is a stack-like structure which represents the point of attachment of the ovule to the placenta of the ovule. Second, hilum. It is the point where the body of the ovule is attached to the funnel. Third, integument. There are the outer layers surrounding the ovule that provide protection to the developing embryo. Fourth, micropyle. It is a narrow pore formed by a projection of integument. It marks the point where the pollen tube enters the ovule at the time of the fertilization. 5. Nucleus. It is the mass of the parameters tissue surrounded by the integument. From the outside, the nucleus provides the nutrition to the developing embryo. The embryo sac is located inside the nucleus. Chalazal. It is the it is the it is the basis solvent part of the nucleus from where the integument originated. Fifth, what is meant by the monosporic development of female gametophyte? Monosporic development is the development of a female gametophyte from one functional megaspore in angiosperm, a single diploid mother cell. Mother microspore undergoes meiotic division to form four megaspore haploid. Only one out of the four megaspore is functional, which forms a female gametophyte, while the rest of the three degenerate. 6. With a neat diagram explain the seven-celled eight-nucleate nature of the female gametophyte. At the upper side, chalazal end; at the down, micropolar end, antipodals, full-form apparatus, egg synergids, egg central cell, polar nucleus. The female gametophyte is formed by the meiotic division of the mother megaspore. The megaspore divide meiotically thrice to form eight-celled embryo sac. The process of formation of seven-cell eight-nucleate nature of female gametophyte is maintained below. Two nuclei are formed after the cell undergoes the first meiotic division. Rest two nuclei move towards the micropolar end and the chalazal end respectively. They divide and redivide to form eight nucleate stage. Consequently, there are four nuclei, each on either end, and the micropylar end. 3 out of 4 nuclei differentiate into egg cell and synergids. At the chalazal end, 3 out of the 4 nuclei differentiate antipodal cells. The remaining cells each forms either end move towards the center and is known as a polar nucleus. Therefore, on maturation, the female gametophyte look like a seven-cell stage. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. What are gamous flower? Can cross-pollination occur in Cleistogamous flower? Give reason for your answer. Camogamous flowers are flowers that have open petals such that the reproductive organs are exposed to allow a cross-pollination. Cleistogamous flowers are small closed flowers with unexposed reproductive organ. Therefore, they cannot undergo cross-pollination. However, they undergo self-pollination since the stigma and anther are presented near each other. It maintains two strategies involved to prevent self-pollination in the flower. Answer: there are two strategies involved in preventing self-pollination in flower. First, Dito- dichotomy. It refers to the reproduction of male and female reproductive organs at different times in order to prevent self-fertilization. Second, self-incompatibility. It is a genetically controlled mechanism in which pollen grains of a flower are unable to grow completely on the stigma of the same flower. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. What is self-incompatibility? What does self-pollination not lead to? Not lead to the seed formation in self-incompatibility species. Answer: self-incompatibility refers to a genetically controlled mechanism that prevents self-pollination in flowers. Self-pollination cannot lead to the formation of seed in a self-incompatibility species. This happens because the pollens are unable to fertilize the ovules that would develop into an embryo and hence form seed. Then what is bagging technique? How is it helpful in a plant breeding program? Answer: bagging technique helps prevent fertilization of the stigma by any undesired pollen by covering the emasculated flower. Those anther is removed with a poly bag or butter paper. The bagging technique is beneficial in the plant breeding program. In this, only desired pollens are made to fertilize the stigma in order to produce plant with desired. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. Triple fusion occurs when a male gamete fuses with two polar nuclei within the embryo sac of the flowering plant. The following event takes place in triple fusion. nucleus and forms a zygote. circular nuclei located in the central cell and forms a triple endosperm nucleus. The nucleus involved in triple fusion are first male gamete Thanks for listening. And thanks for your support. For some time, and so the zygote remains inactive until the endosperm is of triple fusion. चलो किसका फोन आ रहा था अच्छा हुआ कट गया थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट What do you think a zygote is dormant for some time, fertilize ovule, and so zygote remain inactive. The endosperm is formed as a result of triple fusion. The endosperm provides nutrition to the developing embryo and is formed from the primary endosperm cell that result from triple fusion. 13 differentiate between epocoital and hypocoital. And so epocoital and hypocoital. Epocoital regions of the embryo above the cotyledon. Region of the embryo above the cotyledon and hypocoital. Region of the embryo below the cotyledon. Epocoital terminate at the pollium and hypocoital terminate at the colendory node. And epocoital start from the colendory node. Hypocoital start from the radicle. Epocoital develop into the upper part of the stem and hypocoital develops into that part of the stem that develop into root. Epocoital elongate in epigel germination and hypocoital elongate in hypogenal germination. Difference between polypeptide and कोलिरिहिजा कोलीपेप्टाइड एंड कोलिरिहिजा के बीच में फर्क बताना है कोलीपेप्टाइड it is a protective seat and कोलिरिहिजा it is an undifferentiated seat. Polypeptide protect young shoot tip in corypheus and grass. Corypheus protect the root of a germinating grass or cereal. Polypeptide come out of the soil and corypheus remains inside soil. Polypeptide cover the pollen and corypheus cover the root cap and radicle. Polypeptide break the seed coat and grounds and corypheus break the seed coat and stop growth. Difference between integument and testa. Integument cover the ovule, testa outer covering of the seed. The cells are living. In testa, the cells are dead. In integument, pre-fertilization structure. In testa, post-fertilized structure. In integument, sclerids are absent, and in testa, sclerids are present. In integument, one or two layered in टेस्टा वन लेयरेड टेस्टा में केवल एक ही लेयर होता है. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इतना सपोर्ट करने के लिए. Pre-sperm and pre-carp. Pre-sperm part of a seed, pre-carp part of a fruit. Pre-sperm usually dry, pre-carp dry or fleshy. Pre-sperm present in only one a few seed. Present in only a few seed. Pre-carp found in all fruit. Pre-sperm non-functional in seed. Pre-carp protect the fruit and help in nutrition and dispersal. Why is apple called as a false fruit? Which part of the flower forms the fruit? A false fruit is diverted from some secondary part and not from the ovary. Apple is diverted from the thalamus and is hence called as a false fruit. What is meant by emasculation? When and why does a plant breeder employ this technique? Emasculation refers to the removal of stamens from bisexual flowers before the menstruation of the anther is the flowers are bagged even before when the anther mature, the pollen grains. यार कॉल आ रहा है, पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ से रात को. भाई रैंडम नंबर से कॉल सब यार. Thanks for your support guys, please like and subscribe. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइज, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. आप सभी लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इतना सपोर्ट करने के लिए. If one can induce parthenocarpy, thought the application of growth substance which fruit would you selected to introduce parthenocarp and why? Parthenocarpy refers to the development of fruit without fertilization. Fruit devoid of seed such as watermelon and muskmelon are in great demand. Therefore, these varieties will be developed by parthenocarpy. Explain the role of tapetum in the formation of pollen grain wall. And so tapetum is the internal layer of microsporangium and plays an important role in the formation of pollen grain. While it provides nutrition to the maturing pollen grains, various amino acid enzymes and hormones are produced by tapetum cells that are initial for the maturation of the pollen grain. Tapetum is also forms the inexine layer of the pollen grain. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like or subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Thanks, brother. Thanks for your support. Please like and subscribe. Like or subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. What is apomix and what is its importance? Apomix is the process of seed formation without the occurrence of fertilization. The process of meiosis and synogamy, to be precise, it play a vital role in the production of the hybrid seed. Apomix inhibit the loss of desired characters in a hybrid. Also, the process of production of hybrid seed thought cultivated cultivate cultivation is expensive. Therefore, apomix is used for the production of hybrid seed. Apomix is used for the production of hybrid seed. Human reproduction. Human reproduce sexually. Humans are viperous. Fertilization is internal in humans. Male and female gamete are haploid. Zygote is diploid. The process of release of ovum from a mature folic is 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 hormone LH. The fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. Fertilization takes place in the amphibula, of the oviduct. Zygote divide to form a blastocyst, which is implanted in the uterus. The structure which provide a vascular connection between the fetus and the uterus is called the placenta. Draw a level diagram of the male reproductive system. The diagram of the male reproductive system is as follows: urinary bladder, urethra, vas deferens, vas efferentia, epididymis, testicular lobule, rete testi for skin, for skin, urethra, testes, blue urethral gland, prostate, seminal vessel. Draw a level diagram of the female reproductive system. The diagram of the female reproductive system is as follows: urinary fundus, urinary cavity, endometrium, monometrium, perimetrium, ovary, fimbriae, amphibula, isthmus, infundibulum, fallopian tube, curvax, cervical canal, vagina. Write the two major functions each of the testes and ovary. Testes, the process of spermatogenesis, produce sperm through the seminiferous tubules. Testes, uh, testosterone, testosterone, the male sex hormone, is secreted by the Leydig cell. Ovary, in the process of oogenesis, ovaries produce ova. In the process of oogenesis, ovaries produce ova and progesterone and progesterone, the female sex hormone, are secreted. Describe the structure of seminiferous tubules. The structure of seminiferous tubules is listed below. Seminiferous tubules are found in the testicular lobules and are highly coiled structure. It is here that the production of sperm in the testicular occurs. Each of the seminiferous tubules has a lining of germinal epithelium. On the inner side, it is lined by two types of cells, cystroid cell and spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. There are the male germ cells that produce the primary spermatocytes through the process of meiotic division. Further, the primary spermatocytes undergo meiotic division for the formation of secondary spermatocyte and ultimates melophasis into the male gamete termed as a spermatozoa. Cystroid cells are refers to the nurse cell of the testes. It is because they nourish the germ cell. Just adjacent to the adjacent to the seminiferous tubules, there are large polygonal cells referred to as a Leydig cell or interstitial cell, which secrete testosterone, the male hormone. Spermatogonia, cystroid cell, and primary spermatocyte or secondary spermatocyte, spermatid, hormone spermatozoa. Thanks for your support guys. Please like and subscribe. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your support guys. Please like and subscribe. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इतना सपोर्ट करने के लिए. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. What is spermatogenesis? Briefly describe the process of spermatogenesis. The phenomena of sperm production forms the immature germ cell. In the process occurred in the seminiferous tubules located inside the testes. In this process, a diploid male germ cell or spermatogonum enlarges in size to form a haploid primary spermatocyte, which in turn goes through the first meiotic division or meiosis first. This division is a reductional division for the formation of two equal haploid secondary spermatocytes, which further undergoes Second, meiotic division or meiosis. Second, for the formation of two equal haploid spermatozoids. Subsequently, four haploid spermatids are formed from a haploid spermatogonum. The spermatid produce alter to form spermatozoa. Sperm, through the process of spermatogenesis, name the hormone involved in the regulation of the spermatogenesis. Some hormones involved in the regulation of the spermatogenesis are as listed below. Uh, leucinin hormone, LH. It serves as a Leydig cell, triggering, synthesis and secretion of androgens. Gonadotropin, releasing hormone, GnRH. It is a hypothalamic hormone. It is a GnR. It is a hypothalamic hormone that is secreted at the age of puberty. Act as the anterior pituitary gland and stimulating the secretion of LHSFS. Follic stimulating hormone, FSH. It acts on cestoid cells, stimulating the secretion of the factors which aid in the spermatogenesis process. Androgens. It triggers in having production regulation the spermatogenesis process. It defines spermatogenesis and spermatization. Spermatogenesis, it is the phenomena of the transformation of non-motile spermatid to mature motile spermatozoa. Sperm, Spermiation. It is the phenomena where mature spermatozoa are released from cestoid cell into the lumen of the seminiferous tubules of the testis. Draw a level diagram of sperm. Thanks for your support guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. आप सभी लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद इतना सपोर्ट करने के लिए. Thank you so much guys for your support. Please like and subscribe also. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. Thanks for your support. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. The diagram of sperm is below. Plasma membrane, acrosome, nucleus containing chromosomal material, neck, middle piece, mitochondria, energy source for swimming, and tail. This part is head, neck, middle piece. What are the major components of seminal plasma? Answer: the major component of seminal plasma are as follows. Secretion of the accessory sex gland of male prostate gland, seminal vessels, urethral gland, mainly composed of calcium, fructose and other enzymes. 11. Question number 11. What are the major functions of male accessory duct and gland? The major function of the male accessory duct and gland are as follows. First, male accessory duct, vas efferentia, conduct sperm from the retate testis to the epididymis. Retate testis Tetate testes store sperm that are produced by seminiferous tubules. Vas if differentia conduct sperm from epididymis to the urethra. Epididymis physiological menstruation of sperm physiological menstruation of sperm storage and nourishment storage and nourishment. Male accessory gland seminal vessels active and provide energy to the seminal vessels active and provide energy to the facilitated sperm motility after ejaculation. Prostate gland nourish and active sperms enhance sperm's motility, provide alkalinity to the ejaculated nu- ne- neutralist urine acidity. Cowper's gland Cowper's gland enhance mobility as and survival potentiality of sperm in the genetical tract of the female reproductive system. Neutralist the activity of acidic female vaginal secretion. What is oogenesis? Give a brief account of the oogenesis. Oogenesis is the phenomena of the formation of haploid female gamete known as ova from haploid oogenesis in the ovary. Graphene follicle to be precise. This process is discontinued, which, which is initiated during the period of fetus development. What is terminated? That is terminated only after puberty seeds in the process of oogenesis take place in three phases. There are they are listed below. First, multiply multiplicative phase. Follicle cells are differentiated from the germinal epithelium of the ovary due to repeated meiosis divisions. Few follicle cells enlarge and are termed as egg mother. Egg mother cell undergoes meiosis to multiply, which is referred to as oogenia growth phase. One of the oogenia of the egg nest differentiate while the rest change into surrounding nutritive follicular epithelium. There is an increase in the size of differentiated isolated oogenum as it gets nourished from the grinding follicle cell, thereby transforming into a haploid primary oocyte. Menstruation phase. Menstruation phase. The haploid primary oocyte in this phase passes through two menstruation divisions. Meiosis first, the fruit meiotic divide split and diploid primary oocyte into two haploid cells, wherein the large one is the secondary oocyte and and minor one is the polar body polycyte. In meiosis second or the second meiotic division, the secondary oocyte split to form one large oocyte and a teeny secondary Furthermore, the first polar body split through meiosis to form two polar bodies. The coitic mature into a functional haploid ovum. Therefore, one primary oxide provides one large ovum and three polar bodies, which in turn degenerate. They degenerate as they do not participate in the reproduction, thus leaving behind one functional ovum. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. आप सभी के सपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. Draw a level diagram of a section through the ovule. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. ऑटोमेटिकली अपने आप ही ये फ़ोन हीट होने की वजह से ऑफ हो जा रहा है लाइव स्ट्रीम. Acrosome. Acrosome is located in the anterior section of the head of the sperm, resembling a catalyst. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. and thanks for your support. Fingers towards ovarian end of the fallopian tube. Finger-like projection emerge. These are the fingers which assist in gathering the ovum after the ovulation process. This will facilitated by the beauty of silesia. Identify true-false statement. Correct each false statement, make it true. Androgens are produced by cestoid cell. Androgens are produced by cestoid cells. False. Because androgens are produced by Leydig cell that present in the seminiferous tubules. Spermatozoa get nutrition from cestoid cell. Spermatozoa get nutrition from cestoid cell. True. Leydig cells are found in the ovary. Leydig cells are found in the ovary. False. Because Leydig cells are present in the seminiferous tubules of the testes in males. Leydig cells synthesis androgens. Leydig cell synthesis androgens. True. Oogenesis takes place in the corpus luteum. Oogenesis takes place in the corpus luteum. False because oogenesis occur in the ovary. False because false है, गलत है, क्योंकि oogenesis होता है ओवरी में पाया जाता है oogenesis को. Menstruation cycle crashes during pregnancy. Menstruation cycle क्रैश हो जाता है, रुक जाता है प्रेगनेंसी के दौरान. ट्रू. Presence or absence of a hymen is not a reliable indicator of presence या फिर absent hymen is not a reliable indicator of virginity or sexual experience. True. सही है. Thanks for your support guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Hi brother, hi. अरे भाई क्या क्या लिख रहे हो. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस. प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. Like and subscribe please, and thanks for your support. What is the menstruation cycle? Which hormone regulate the menstruation cycle? It is a cycle observed to be taking place in the female lasting around 28 days on ovaries to complete. It is a series of cycle physiological changes occurrence in the female reproductive tract. It permits an end of which is combined with the collapsing of the uterine endothelium that is liberated in the form of blood and mucus through the vaginal opening, which is termed means there is a gradual increase in the level of LH hormone. LH hormone, which causes the follicle to grow, also causes the secretion of the estrogen. Estrogen of of estrogen obstructs the FS hormone secretion, triggering the secretion of the LH, which also result in the thickening thickening which also result in the thickening of the uterine endometrium. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, and thanks for your support. The amplified secretion of LH. The amplified secretion of LH also result in the graphene follicle recruiting, thereby causing the release of the ovum into the fallopian tube. The repeated graphene follicle transforms into corpus luteum, which secrete the hormone progesterone during the luteal phase. The hormone progesterone assists in maintaining and preparing the endometrium for the process of embryo implantation. When the progesterone level in the blood is high, the FS and LH secretion decreases, which furthermore hinders the process of ovulation. What is parturition? Which hormones are involved in the induction of the parturition? Parturition is the process wherein a fully developed fetus from the mother's womb forms. क्या बोल रहा है? Parturition एक ऐसी प्रक्रिया है wherein a fully developed fetus from the mother womb is expelled after the completion of gestation period. The two critical hormones that are involved in the induction of parturition as follows: oxo, oxytocin. It direct the full-term fetus toward the birth canal, as it causes the contraction of the smooth muscles of the monimatrium of the uterus, leading the baby to be expelled out. Relaxation. It relaxes the pelvic ligament, widening the pelvis to assist in an easier childbirth. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, and thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. अरे राकेश भाई, बाद में चेक कर लेंगे यार. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब गाइस, एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. In our society, women are often blamed for giving birth to daughter. Can you explain why this is not correct? Answer: we know that human beings have 23 pair of chromosomes, and out of these 22 pair are autosomes, and the last pair varies in the male and female male males and females. Males are heterogam males are heterogamitic. They produce two types of male male gametes or sperm. There are 50% of sperm carrying X chromosomes, while the rest 50% carrying Y chromosomes. On the other hand, females are homogamitic. They uh, they produce only two types of gamete, the the ova, each of which carries the X chromosomes only. Once the male and female gamete have fused to form zygote, it would carry either XX chromosome or XY chromosomes, depending on whether sperm carrying X or Y fertilized the ovum. If sperm carrying X fertilize the ovum zygote XX, it will develop into a female baby, and if the sperm carrying Y, the fertilized the ovule zygote XY, it will develop into a male baby. Both these cases are an attribute to the sperm that carry the chromosomes fertilizing the ovum. Hence, we cannot say that sex of the child is determined by the father and not the mother. This is why it is incorrect to blame women for the gender of the child. Thanks for your support. सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. मंगल पटेल, 1 रुपया भेजने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद भाई. 1 रुपया मंगल पटेल ने भेजा है. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. हाउ मेनी एग्स आर रिलीज बाय अ ह्यूमन ओवरी इन अ month? How many eggs are released by a human ovary in a month? How many eggs do you think would have been released if the mother gave birth to identical twins? जुड़वा बच्चे. Would you answer change if the twins born were fraternal? Typically in a month, humans ovary released only one egg, rarely two. Typically in a month, human ovary released only one egg, rarely two. The in the egg in the case of identical twins or monozygotic twins, one egg is released by the ovary, which is split into two post fertilization. This is why identical twins exhibit the same genetic features. One on the other hand, In the fraternal twins or dizygotic twins, two eggs are released which are fertilized by two different sperm, causing the fraternal twins to exhibit different genetic characteristics. How many eggs do you how many eggs do you think were released by a ovary of a female dog which give birth to six puppies? In order to give birth to the six puppies, the ovary of the female dog released six eggs. Hence, six zygotes were formed for each to develop into a puppy. Reproductive health, chapter 3. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like or subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like or subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. What do you think is the significant of reproductive health in society? Answer: reproductive health can be termed as a total well-being in possibly all the aspects of reproduction and social. Some diseases can be transferred from one individual to another through sexual contact. For example, gonorrhea, AIDS, etc. They are referred to as sexual transmitted disease. Sexually contact can also lead to unwanted pregnancies and further complications in case sexually transmitted diseases are connected. Therefore, it is important to create awareness among the the youth in particular, in the context of different topics related to the reproduction. The youth is future of the country. What are most susceptible to contracting sexually transmitted disease? Hence, some preventative measures that can be adopted to create awareness. Method available: sexually transmitted disease and their preventative measures, and the importance of gender equality. This step will impact bringing up a socially consequous यानी जागरूकता. Healthy family also creating awareness about the uncontrolled population growth and social evils, सामाजिक बुराइयां and that exist in society will promote the concept of bringing up a reproductively health society. Oh, तेरी. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. वो कैंडल भी ख़त्म ही हो जाएगा. 2 घंटे में अब ख़त्म हो जाएगा. क्या ही बोलूँ, कैंडल भी नहीं है. कल कैंडल लाना पड़ेगा फिर. यार मकान मालिक ने लाइट ही काट दिया है. रूम रेंट नहीं दिया तो लाइट ही काट दिया उन्होंने. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Suggest the aspect of reproductive health which need to be given social attention in the present scenario. Reproductive health can be termed as a social well-being, possibly an all aspect of reproduction. including emotional, physical behavior, and social well being. The different aspects that require special attention are as follows. Awareness need to be created in reproductive and child health care. Creating awareness among people by counseling about reproductive organs, adolescence, hygienic and safe sexual practice, different sexual transmitted diseases such as AIDS, etc. Sex, sex education need to be introduced in school. This help er- this help eradicate misconceptions and myth in the context of sex related topics. People should be educated about the different birth control options that are available, the care of pregnant mothers, the postnatal care of the mother and the newborn, and the significance of breastfeeding. Professional expert strong in strong infrastructure strong infrastructural facilities, material infrastructure infrastructure facilities, material support to provide medical assistance and the care for the patient. Facing reproductive issues become of uncontrolled population growth, awareness about family planning, and social evils such as sex abuse and sex related crimes. Question number third, is sex education necessary in school and why? सेक्स एजुकेशन स्कूल में ज़रूरी क्यों है, ये पूछा क्या क्या इसकी आवश्यकता है और ये क्यों ज़रूरी है। इससे पहले guys, please like and subscribe and thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe and thanks for your support. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. फिर से फ़ोन हीट हो रहा है, बस ब्लास्ट ना हो. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Answer: yes, sex education is necessary in school. It is because of following reasons. Importance, adaptation, and necessary information in student in order to save them from misconceptions and myth about sex related topics, provide appropriate knowledge about adolescence, reproductive organs and related concepts, create awareness among students about the need for the hygienic and safe sexual practice and sexually transmitted disease. This helps students, specifically those in adolescence, to lead a healthy reproductive life. What are the suggested reasons for the population explosion? Answer: population explosion can be used to refer the sudden large increase in the size of a population. There is an increase in the population every day, leading to a population explosion. Two of the major reasons are as follow: increase in the birth rate and longitudinally decrease in the death rate. In the last 50 years, the death rate was 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 50 years, the de in last 50 years the death rate has decreased evidently. The decrease in the death rate and increase in the birth rate can be attributed to the various measurements that have been adopted, such as disease controlled measures take to create awareness and spreading knowledge of the importance of reproductive health, measures taken to introduce sex education topics at school level, better medicinal facility, ensuring food supply and medical assistance during emergency time, and so on. These reasons have also led to increase in longevity of people. Is 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 the use of contraceptive justified given reasons? Is the use of contraceptive justified given reasons? Yes, the use of contraceptive is the completely justified. The human population is increased exponentially. In order to regulate this population growth, keeping in a check on the process of reproduction has become the need of the hour. For this purpose, different contraceptive devices have been circulated for use so as to reduce unwanted pregnancy, which have helped to lessen the recorded count of the birth rate, thereby regulating the process of population explosion. 7. Question number 7. Removal of go, gonad removal of gonads cannot be considered a contraceptive option. Why? Answer: contraceptives are used in order to prevent unforeseen unwanted pregnancy and to prevent the spreading. Some other alternatives to prevent unwanted pregnancy are oral barrier, natural and surgical method, but the complete remove of gon, gon, gonads cannot be a contraceptive option, as it will lead to infertility and make several hormones unavailable, which are crucial for the normal functioning of accessory reproductive part. Contraceptive is used to prevent any chance of fertilization and make a person unfertile for life, as the removal of gona go gona gonads would do. Thanks for your support guys, please like and subscribe. आप सभी के सपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. व्हाट इज द टाइम? कितना बज रहा है अभी गाइस? कितना बज रहा है थोड़ा टाइम बताइएगा, देखिए कमेंट में. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. कितना टाइम हो रहा है देखिए एक बार. ओ तेरी, 1:20. अभी तो 1:20 हो रहा है. कोई नहीं. ओके गाइस, चलिए पढ़ते हैं आगे का. फ़ोन फिर से हीट हो गया है. एमिनोसेस्टिस्ट for sex determination determination is banned in our country. Is this ban necessary? Comment. Amniocentesis. Amniocentesis for sex determination banned in our country. अब बच्चे का सेक्स पता करने के लिए एमिनोसेंसिस को बंद कर दिया गया, अपने कंट्री में बैन कर दिया गया है। क्या यह सही है? इज दिस बैन नेसेसरी? क्या ये नेसेसरी, क्या ये जरूरी है इसे बैन करना? कमेंट करें। बिल्कुल जरूरी है भाई, क्योंकि अपने कंट्री में अगर पता चल गया कि पेट में लड़की है तो पहले ही उड़ा देते हैं लोग, बच्चा गिरवा देते हैं। यही लिखा होगा इंग्लिश में, और क्या लिखा होगा देखते हैं। Amniocentesis is a prenatal diagnostic technique which is used to determine the sex and metabolic alignment of the mother, which is carried out observing chromosomal patterns. The method was deployed to determine the presence of any genetic disorder in the fetus. But unfortunately, this procedure has been misused for sex determination before the birth of the child, leading to the female feticide. Hence, to prevent this practice, a ban on the use of amniocentesis for sex determination is necessary. 9. Question number 9. Suggest some method to assist infertile couples in having children. आप सजेस्ट कीजिए ऐसे मेथड को जिससे इनफर्टाइल कपल हैविंग चिल्ड्रन, जिससे कि इनफर्टाइल कपल को बच्चे हो जाए। आंसर, द इनएबिलिटी ऑफ कपल टू प्रोड्यूस अ बेबी in split or unprotected sexual intercourse is termed infertility. This can arise due to congenital disease and physiological and immunological factors. The diagnostic and corrective measure for a few of these disorders can be carried out in a specialized healthcare unit, and fertility clinics assist reproductive technologies. ART assist reproductive technology, in short form ART, are the special techniques that can assist infertile couple in bringing children. Listed below are the some methods assisting infertile couple into having children. Oh, neither. Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. Like or subscribe भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. Like भी कर दो यार. And thanks for your support. क्या हो रहा है? इन विट्रो फर्टिल. एक सेकेंड. In vitro fertilization, embryo transfer, IVF, ET. In this method, the donor's egg is removed, and in this method, इस प्रक्रिया में the donor egg is removed and fertilized in vitro by sperm of the donor under a sterile environment in a culture medium. This fertilized embryo is then transferred to the baby of the donor For complete development of this method has introduced a success rate of less than 20%. 20% से भी इसका कम होता है सक्सेस रेट होता है जो आपको IVF डैश ET इज ऑफ टू टाइप, ये दो तरह के होते हैं IUT जिफ्ट क्या है इसमें IUT इंट्रा यूरिन ट्रांसफर The fertilized egg arrive at the 8-celled stage blastometer. It is then transferred to the fallopian tube. Further stage of development. GIFT GIFT zygote intrafallopian transfer. In this method, the fertilized egg arrive at the 32-celled stage advanced stage to the 8 blastomere stage and is then transferred to the uterus for further stages. In vitro fertilization surrogacy. In this method, the embryo is formed in a fertile female which is then transferred to the body of an infertile female who is not able to conceive. The success rate of this procedure is nearly 65%. इसका 65% चांस होता है बच्चा होने का. गैमेट इंट्राफैलोपियन ट्रांसफर गिफ्ट gamete intrafallopian transfer, in short form GIFT. In this method, the intrafertilized oocyte and the sperm are collected and transferred to the fallopian tube of the another female who is unable to produce egg, but this is able to offer a suitable ambience for fertilization and development of the success rate of this procedure is around 30%. और इसका 30% चांस होता है कि बच्चा हो जाएगा. The intraplasmic sperm injection ICST transplasmic sperm injection, in short ICTS. This method is carried out in a laboratory. Direct injection of the sperm into the ovum for the formation of an embryo is done through intracytoplasmic sperm injection. This success rate of this procedure is nearly 60 to 70%. 60 से 70%. इसका सबसे ज़्यादा सक्सेस रेट होता है कि बच्चा हो जाएगा. Artificial insemination AI. In this method, semen that is collected either from a healthy donor or husband is introduced either into the uterus of the female or her vagina. The success rate of this procedure is about 20 to 40%. 20 से 40% होता है AI का आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन का सक्सेस रेट कि बच्चा हो जाएगा. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. गर्मी पानी लेके आता हूँ. पानी नहीं है, बस पानी लेके आ रहा हूँ 2 मिनट में. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, एंड थैंक्स फॉर Thanks for your support, guys. Please like and subscribe. What are the measure of what are the measure of one has to be take prevent contracting STDs? STDs मतलब sexual transmitted disease. Listed below are the measures to be taken to avoid the contraction of STDs मतलब sexual transmitted disease. भैया सेक्सुअल ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज सबसे खतरनाक डिजीज जिसने कितने लोगों को खानदान आगे बढ़ने नहीं दिया. ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन from an infection person or drugs abuser must be avoided. Sharing surgical instrument and injection needles must be totally avoided. Having sexual intercourse with unknown or multiple partner must be avoided. किसी के साथ भी शुरू मत हो जाओ और बहुत सारे लोग के साथ भी शुरू मत हो, समझे गुरु. ऑलवेज यूज प्रीकॉज क्या लिखा है इसमें, ऑलवेज यूज प्रीकॉशंस कॉन्डोम्स ड्यूरिंग इंटरकोर्स. होते क्या है यार ये. इन केस ऑफ एनी डाउट early detection and cure must be taken through medical assistance from a qualified doctor. किसी qualified doctor से मिलिए. Thanks for your support guys. Please like and subscribe. Like और subscribe भी कर दो यार. कर दो गुरु. Thanks for your support guys. Please like and subscribe. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस. प्लीज लाइक. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. जेनेटिक एंड इवोल्यूशन. चलो गुरु, चलिए चलते हैं, इसे भी स्टार्ट करते हैं. जेनेटिक एंड इवोल्यूशन, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशन. पहला चैप्टर प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस एंड वेरिएशन है जेनेटिक इवोल्यूशन के अंदर. maintain the advantage of the selecting a pea plant of the experiment by Mendel. George Mendel demonstrated characteristic of inheritance acquired of a sparring from parent. He selected a pea plant for his experiment for the following reasons. Pea plants exhibit several visible Visual contracting features such as dwarf, tall, plant, wrinkled, round, seed, yellow, green, coats, white, purple, flower, and so on. As they possess bisexual flowers, they can easily undergo self-pollination. This is why pea plant are able to produce offspring with the same trait over generations. Cross pollination can easily be cross pollination can easily be achieved through emasculation, wherein the stamen of the flower is plucked without any disturbance to the pistil. This plant have a short life span, wherein they produce plenty of seed in one generation alone. Okay. Difference between the following: dormant and recessive. Dormant and recessive. In the presence of dormant, in the presence of in the in the pre- in the presence or absence of a recessive trait, a dormant factor or alleles express itself. Example: in a pea plant, round seed and violet flower are dominant character. A recessive trait expresses itself only in the absence of a dominant trait. Example: in a pea plant, white flower, dwarf plant, etc. are recessive characters. Homozygous and heterozygous. Homozygous and heterozygous. Homozygous for a particular trait, homozygous contain two similar alleles. Only one type of gamete is produced. Heterozygous, a particular trait, heterozygous contain two different alleles. It produces more than one type of gamete, two different type of gametes to to be precise. In homozygous, for homozygous, the genotype contain either recessive or dominant, never both alleles. Example: capital TT, small tt. And heterozygous, for heterozygous, the genotype possesses both recessive and dominant alleles. Example: capital T and small t. Monohybrid and hybrid. Monohybrid, it is a cross between partners differing in only one pair of contracting characters. And dihybrid. Dihybrid, it is a cross between parent. It is a cross between parent differing in two pair of contracting characters. Example, example of monohybrid: a cross between a dwarf and tall pea plant. And dihybrid, example of cross between yellow wrinkled seed and green round seed. A diploid organism is heterozygous for four loci. How many type of gamete can be produced? A loci is a fixed point on a chromosomes that is occupied by one or more genes. For an allele pair, heterozygous entities contain different alleles. Such a haploid inter, internally which is heterozygous at the four loci have Loki has four different contracting character different 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 loci. Example: if if an entity is heterozygous at the four loci, with four different characters such as capital M, small m, N, capital N, small n, capital O, small o, capital P, small p. Then, while meiotic division, they split into form eight different gametes. A, B, C, D, capital A, B, C, D, capital A, B, C, D, capital A, B, C, D, small a, B, C, D. Diploid organism. Diploid में होता है कैपिटल ए स्मॉल ए कैपिटल ए बी सी डी कैपिटल स्मॉल ए बी सी डी साथ साथ में रहते हैं सब 16 डिफरेंट गैमेट्स होते हैं इनके पास इन if genes are not linked to each other, then the diploid entities will produce 16 different gametes, but if the genes are linked, gamete will decrease their number as the genes may be uh, which in turns will be inherited together during the meiotic cell division. 4. Explain the law of dominance using a monohybrid cross. इसे इसे पढ़ने से पहले थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, आप सभी के सपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार. एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो. और आप सभी के सपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. क्या हो रहा है, क्या दिन थे, क्या दिन आ गए यार, वो भी क्या दिन थे. यही है जिंदगी है, कभी दिन है तो कभी रात है, चलता रहता है. चलिए इसे पढ़ने से पहले पानी पी लेना यार, जान निकली जा रही है. Explain the law of dominance using a monohybrid cross. The law of dominance. The law of dominance was proposed by a Mendelian. This ये बताता है कि this state that a dominant allele expresses itself a dominant hybrid cross and suppresses the expression of a recessive allele, but the recessive allele for a specific character does not vanish but remains marked or hidden in the progenies of the F1 generation, which resurface in the subsequent generation. Example के उदाहरण के माध्यम से कुछ समझाना चाहता है. When a monohybrid cross, जब एक monohybrid cross between two pea plant having round seed RR, capital RR, and wrinkled seed small rr was carried out. All the seed in F1 generation were were observed to be round, capital R and small r. If the round seed were self-fertilized, both the characters round and wrinkled seed appear in the F2 generation. The character that is dominant, example the round seed surface, and the recessive character, that is the wrinkled seed, get suppressed. जो wrinkled seed होंगे वो suppressed हो जाएंगे. That resurfaced in the F2 generation. parent parents a round seed and ringlet seed. Progeny F1 generation round seed, capital R small r, capital R small r, capital R small r, capital. Self of selfing of F1 round seed, capital R small r, capital R small r, x x क्रॉस कराया गया इन दोनों के बीच में, तो क्या है, कैपिटल आर आर, कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर, कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर आर, रिंकलेट आया। डिफाइन अ टेस्ट क्रॉस। अब एक टेस्ट क्रॉस को डिफाइन करने के लिए बोल रहा है, चलो डिफाइन किया जाए यार, चलो इसे भी डिफाइन कर दिया जाए। अ टेस्ट क्रॉस can be defined as a cross of F1 individuals that has a dominant phenotype with its homozygous recessive parent. This test cross can be used to determine if an individual displaying a dominant characters is homozygous or heterozygous. Simple test cross. Take a Take a tall plant, capital TT, and cross it with a dwarf plant, small tt. The F1 generation show a plant, capital T and small t. The 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 tall plant, capital T and small t, then test crossed with a homozygous recessive plant, small tt. Parent F1 हाइब्रिड कैपिटल टी एंड स्मॉल टी, इन दोनों में क्रॉस होगा, होमोजाइगस रिसेसिव स्मॉल स्मॉल टी टी, कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी के, और ये कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी, ये कैपिटल टी स्मॉल टी टी। एज सीन अबव, द टेस्ट क्रॉस बिटवीन tall heterozygous F1 hybrid with dwarf homozygous recessive parent producing tall and dwarf in the same equal proportion. This represents that F1 hybrid is heterozygous. अच्छा, thanks for your support guys, please like and subscribe. थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट। Dwarf homozygous recessive parent producing tall and dwarf in the same equal proportion. This represents that the F1 hybrid is heterozygous. ये तो हम पढ़ चुके हैं। टाइम क्या हो रहा है यार, नींद लग रहा है, अब सोने का मन कर रहा है। अरे अब सोने का मन कर रहा है गाइस, अब नींद लग रहा है बहुत तेज। Candle like steady light. Oh guys, yes brother, yes, 0007. ओके ब्रदर, गुड नाइट, चल रहे हैं अब सोने। गुड नाइट क्या, गुड मॉर्निंग हो गया, गुड मॉर्निंग। नहीं भाई, खाना तो नहीं हुआ है, खाना के आप चल रहे हैं सोने, सुबह खाएंगे। हो गाइस, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार, एंड थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट, थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट गाइस, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार। चल रहे हैं गाइस. ओके, बाय बाय. गुड नाइट गाइस. गुड नाइट नहीं, गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. गुड मॉर्निंग. ओके, बाय बाय. चलो.